Hello everyone, Doug Swafford, First American Title. Wanted to make sure everybody understood how to use the marketing campaign and basically what to do with it. So when you click on the link provided, this is actually the landing page. And here on the landing page, it's a scrolling cascade template. So if you scroll, it starts the campaign. And it's on a slider, so you can continue to slide. As the boxes come up, we can put all kinds of information in the box here. We kept it very simple. Across the top, you can go straight to the different condo complexes if you'd like to. And when you get to the very end of the presentation of the slider, it lands on this map. If you click on the different condominiums, we actually have the bylaws, CC&Rs embedded. Click on the bylaws, CC&Rs, and then you're going to notice it opens right up. We got about 159 pages on this one here. You can flip through pages immediately, zoom in on any page. And what's nice, all the bylaws and CC&Rs you can share from your mobile device. You can share the whole packet from your computer. And here are your options to share it. Okay, let's go back to the presentation. And right here in the upper corner, you have this little share button. Click on that. Here is a shortened URL you can use in your marketing. This is what you could copy and paste right into Facebook. You can go to post what's on your mind, copy paste this link. A couple clicks below, you would go ahead and write a paragraph about your unit, about your open house to personalize this marketing campaign. Okay, here's the embed code if you wish to embed it on the website, and we have different sizes. You click autoplay, it changed the link here, hit open. Now this is set to autoplay. So if you post it, when it's on autoplay, it will automatically go through the slides all by itself. Set the medium. You can go up to high or low. When it gets to the end, it's going to loop and start all over. Okay? Back to the campaign here. You can print it. You can post to Facebook. You can tweet it. Hope that's been helpful. If you have any questions or would like to learn how you can personalize one of these sliders for your individual listing, we could do multiple photos of the community, and everything about the individual listing. Reach out to your First American rep or reach out to me, Doug Swafford, First American Title. Have a great day.